Hi, this is Amit here. I came all the way from Pune after doing a lot of research to get my car's steering leather wrapped. I have a XUV500 and I was not really very happy with the kind of options that I was getting, particularly at the price point in Mumbai, Pune, all over the places that I had so far inquired at. Thanks to Mr. Shinde, I think he really answered most of my queries and assured me about the top class workmanship. Thank you so much, Orchis. Keep doing the great work.
Signs, they pass us by. In the sky, the stars we fly. Every beat we won't ignore. Pushing limits one more. Bass so loud it shakes